A relative of President Donald Trump hopes to help a Minnesota Republican keep his apparent edge in a congressional race.
A new poll shows Pete Stauber now leads Democrat Joe Radinovich in the 8th District.
You want to thank Donald Trump? The most important thing you can do, and the way to do it, is to get out and vote in the midterm elections and vote for Republicans like Pete, because they are going to make the difference.
Lara Trump rallied Stauber supporters in North Branch this afternoon. She is married to the president's son, Eric. The Radinovich campaign accused Stauber of using Trump to hide from answering questions. The Democrats spent the day campaigning on the North Shore. The election's now just 18 days away. More than 300,000 voters have asked for an absentee ballot, and that is outpacing the rate during the presidential race.